This is a quick walkthrough on how to insert a spinner on your Excel worksheet. We're going to go up to the Developer tab. If you don't have that, you might need to add it in, and you can Google how to add in a Developer tab. We're going to go to Developer, and we're going to go to Insert, Form Controls, and we're going to pick that one right there, a spin button. We'll just click on our worksheet. Once it's on our worksheet, we can resize it. But more importantly, we're going to need to link it to something. So we're going to right-click, Format Control. Current value, let's set the current value at 70. Let's have a minimum value of 0, and we'll have a maximum value of 150. Increments of, let's say, $10. And we're going to want to link this to our coupon rate, which looks like it's in cell C4. Hit OK. Now we have a spin button that will change our coupon rate.